Hello, Gavin Sykes, and today we are looking at the high stand for Beosound Theatre. This stand puts the bottom of theatre at 1 metre from the floor, so it's very high, and it's perfect for bedrooms, gyms, or anywhere where you might need to get the screen high. We can customise the pole to reduce the height, so if you want to have it a little bit lower, that's possible. Cable management is excellent on this bracket, so the cables travel in through the underside, through the pole, and then come out at the rear, so your customer will not see cables. And because we're using one of the 3 SMI from Bang Olufsen, and that we can also use the extension kit as well, we can mount decoders on the rear, and we can mount 2 decoders or accessory boxes onto the rear with the SMI. So this is the high stand for Beosound Theatre from STB Brackets.